Welcome to the future of textiles, where AI, automation, robotics, and smart factories are completely transforming manufacturing worldwide today. Artificial intelligence now detects fabric defects instantly, improving product quality while dramatically reducing waste and expensive production mistakes everywhere. AI also optimizes spinning and winding parameters, producing stronger yarn while minimizing grading errors and increasing production efficiency consistently. Smart color management eliminates repeated lab samples, saving water, production time, and reducing unnecessary environmental impact significantly.
If we adjust the chroma here, the trend forecast predicts a significant uptake.
And the automated pattern generation is already adapting the laser cut file. Incredible.
Digital twins create virtual factory copies, allowing manufacturers to test production before operating real machines and reduce unexpected failures. Predictive maintenance reduces repair costs, prevents machine failures, and keeps textile production running smoothly with minimal downtime every day. Digital twins also help designers evaluate fabric appearance, lighting, and performance before purchasing expensive physical textile samples entirely. Virtual prototyping allows designers to perfect garment fit digitally before cutting any expensive fabric into physical clothing pieces.
Replacing physical samples with digital versions saves materials, labor, shipping costs, and significantly lowers textile.
Smart textiles monitor health, athletic performance, and worker safety through embedded sensors that continuously collect valuable real-time information every moment. IoT devices monitor factory conditions continuously, ensuring better quality, improved machine performance, and consistent manufacturing results every production cycle.
Nanotechnology gives fabrics water resistance, UV protection, antibacterial performance. Waterless dyeing technologies dramatically reduce water consumption, energy usage, and pollution. Automated 3D knitting produces seamless garments efficiently, minimizing fabric waste while reducing dependence on manual labor throughout manufacturing processes. Digital printing improves traceability, customization, ethical sourcing, and complete transparency from raw materials to finished textile products. The future textile industry is smarter, cleaner, faster, and more sustainable. Subscribe now for more amazing textile technology innovations and discoveries.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.